Which of the following expressions gives the number of revolutions a tire with a diameter of d feet will make in a trip m miles long? So when we talk about revolution, we have to remember that we're talking about going around the circle. So that is going to be circumference. So for a circle, the circumference is going to be 2 pi r, or pi multiplied by diameter. So therefore, we know that one revolution is going to be equal to pi multiplied by d. And this is in feet. And we're saying that the trip is m miles long. So 1 mile is going to be 5,280 feet. So m miles is going to be 5,280 m. So that is the distance that is going to be traveled. This is one revolution. So for us to get the number of revolutions is going to be number of miles divided by the length of a revolution, which is going to be 5,280 m divided by pi d. So that is going to be our answer. Let's go to the next question.